Welcome back to the channel. Emma spotted outside back door and a square feet like you are on virtual soft light. Choosy setup, lush gardening and climax textile come together to create a playful right at home. We share outdoor oasis decoration idea that will help your comfortable your patio backyard or turn into a luxury spotted style retreat on metal your space or budget. Start with a comfortable fun train and outdoor oasis being with comfort. Choose setting that invite you bed and styling outdoor soft select chair with deep inset even the space. Other for weather retreat when in natural tone like bring soft wild for a climate base layout in trellis palette and outdoor break for textile and warm. Maximize palettes such as soft with solar color add interior without overwhelm the space. If you are work with a smart area, fountain chair or built-in branch story are perfect space safe solved. Use natural material for a relaxed feel. Natural is the heart of an outdoor oasis. Cooperative natural material like wood, stone, bamboo stick to create an original background look. A wood depth glory part away help define the area with bamboo seamless with the outdoor. Functional make for tea or wicket add warm while or contact Plant incorporated and textile. Their material not only look beautiful but also age grateful, enhance, they relax, live in field of your oasis. Add lush gardening and layout plants. Plants and sterile bring life traditional to oasis space. Mix define height of textile to create a layout. Gardening like effective. Use tall plants or smart plant for provide medium size shape to file space plants for soft